And everybody, Bobby Two Pops breaks. It is. My razor knife, sorry. It is Friday, May the 7th. We're breaking Bomb Box Combo Series. It's a 2-box or 2-envelope breaks, but we're going to get 4 hits out of the 2 envelopes. We did random teams for this. On the right teams, custom has been randomized, alphabetized, gave everybody a chance to trade. Had 1 trade go down. So here we go. Gonna break 15 first. We randomed up our remaining envelope numbers. Again, we got 15 and 33. So here we go. Bam! Going to be the Houston spot, everybody. Gonna be the Houston spot with the John Wall jersey. Bam! Also going to be the MMA slot, guys, with the Jorge Masvidal glove. Gonna just tear that open so you can see nothing else in that one. Two envelope 33. Bam! Well, gonna be the Cleveland spot with the Nick Chubb Vengeance. Bam! Well, that's the wrong F13 spot, bud. That's the jersey spot that I had mentioned. I'm very sorry about that one. Like I said, that was the regular one, was the pop slot. So there's going to be F13 jersey, Cleveland, Houston, and MMA. Guys, let me grab that stuff, though. Jason Wall, forgot Masvidal there. Let me grab that. Let me grab Chubb also, guys. Sorry. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, bam! That is the Nick Chubb. Folks, looks a whole lot better in person than it did in the picture, I'll tell you that. This is also, guys, painted on. That is not a decal. That is painted on. Beckett certification on that. But Nick Chubb. It's a Beckett card. And the certification. Chubb out of the way. Alright, well, I'm just going to actually leave that in the bag there, folks. But that is your Jorge Masvidal. Well, I got that one, but bam. And Jason. This is the one that has more inscriptions, everything. Bam. Ari Lehman. Jason. Kill for Mother. Has JSA certification on this. That's the front. Bam. Vorhees. Refold that sucker. Well, those waited till the end, and then they both came out back-to-back breaks. And then we got your John Wall, Houston, Jersey, guys. Bam. JSA on this. Boom. John Wall. Wasn't having a bad season until he friggin' pulled his hamstring here. Alright, let me see who won what there. Let me get these damn bags out of the way. Alright, so Masvidal goes to McNutty. Who does the... Well, that's going to... Wall is going to Buckeye. Alright, who gets the Chubb? Well, that's going to Gigi. And who gets the Lehman jersey? Well, that is going to be a Pete hit, everybody. Well, not too bad boxes, guys. Got a an okay full size. The Masvidal, everything there. We've got 9 boxes left in this series. We're going to do your qualifier for the Merino here real quick. All right, so I'm going to pull one of Bucks, one of G's, one of McNutty's, and Pete. All right, everybody, here we go. This is for your qualifier. This is the Merino qualifier. All right, we got a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times. Bam, I got SD and Mossberg. Gonna be the Merino qualifiers. That is a qualifier 33 and 34, everybody. Breakers.TV, YouTube, and Facebook. Y'all have a good night.